many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you I want to retire with my love. See all the little things you do, they make me know love. Oh no, no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come pull us up. I want to make me there. Pull us up. Girl, I want making you pull us up. I feel like making you pull us up. No, 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 no. Pull us up. I want to make me there.
So this is the finished look of this unit and how are we liking it. Now let's get into the specs of what I have on today. So today I have on a unit from Sis Sister Wig, and this is part of their Pickndrop Bora collection. And I have on a style Diva Lace Bora, and I have it in the color FS130. And honestly, I can't believe how pretty this looks. Like, this wig is really gorgeous and it is perfect for the spring and summertime. Now, when you get this unit, it does come with baby hair, so I tried to do them the best that I could. Y'all know I don't do baby hairs, but I be trying. So tried to do the baby hairs. There's some right here and edges on the side. I didn't really do those because I didn't really glue down the sides because they weren't going to be showing. This unit does come pre-tweezed and you can wear it glueless as well. It does have an elastic band attached to the back of it. And the amazing thing is it has HD lace. Now, the lace I'm really surprised about because it literally looks like my scalp. Like, I cannot get over how good it looks. Now, when you get this unit, there is a lot of parting space. So it's a 13x5 lace wig, and it's 13 inches in the front and then 5 inches of parted space in the back. So that's a lot of parting, and you can do any style that you would like to. Now let's get into the review part of this unit. Now, I've tried a lot of braided wigs, and honestly this might be the best one because of the lace. Like, the ones that I've tried, like, you could still see like the knots and it doesn't really blend in with your skin, but this one, it really blends in and it looks like my scalp, and I just love how it looks. I did cut the curls a little bit because I didn't want it too long. It's very hot where I live right now, so I did not want hair just really down my back. Honestly, I kind of wish I got another color because I really would love to see more highlight of the 30 you can see it, but you really can't see it. And I wish there was more highlights. If you guys are interested in this unit, I am going to be linking it down below for you in my description box, so look out for that. As always, thank you for tuning into my video. I really do appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.